On medium heat, olive oil 4 tablespoons. Add whole spices. 3 medium onions, chopped. Fry onions until light golden brown. 6 green chilies, chopped. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. 2 medium tomatoes, chopped. Salt to taste. Mix well, cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 kilogram chicken. Mix well and cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Garam masala 1 tablespoon. Mix well, cover it and cook for 10 more minutes. Add a half cup yogurt. Stir constantly, cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Add water 5½ cups. Few coriander leaves, chopped. Mix well, cover it and bring it to boil. Basmati rice 3 cups, soaked for 30 minutes. Mix gently, cover it and cook the rice on medium heat. Add few green chilies. Cover it and cook on low heat until the rice is cooked through. Ready to serve with raita.